The exercise 2.3. Question number 1 has 4 subdivisions. We have to determine which of the following polynomial has x plus 1 a factor. We are going to use the factor theorem. If x plus 1 is a factor, x plus 1 is a factor, it should be written as x minus a, that form. You know that? So x minus of minus 1, like we can write. Remember the factor theorem, x minus a. It is not in that form, that is why I am writing in that form. X minus of minus 1. Then we may say p of minus 1 is equal to 0. That is x minus a, p of a is 0. So we will check one by one. The first subdivision. If the p of minus 1 is 0, we can say x plus 1 is a factor. If that is not 0, cannot be a factor. The first subdivision, x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. Then we will name the polynomial as p of x. I am just writing this p of minus 1, considering this is p of x. So minus 1 cube plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 plus 1. Yes? Wake up, man, wake up. You SH, sleepy head. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 0. Yes, you are correct. So, yes, it is a factor. For second subdivision, x power 4 plus x cube plus x square. Don't judge a book by its cover. P of minus 1, that is minus 1 power 4 plus minus 1 whole cube. Yes, you already. Yes, good. Plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 plus 1. You have 1 as the answer, because plus 1 minus 1 0. You have 1 as the answer. It is not equal to 0. So therefore, no, it is not a factor. And the third subdivision, will you do it? Let me do it. X power 4 plus 3x cube plus 3x square plus x plus 1. See, minus 1 means here positive 1, negative 3, positive 3, negative 1 plus 1. Plus 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1, 1. It is not equal to 0. So therefore, not 0. Not a factor. Then the fourth subdivision looks kind of different thing. X cube minus x square minus 2 plus root 2 x plus root 2. Since it is x cube, we are substituting minus 1 here. Minus 1 minus, again minus 1, minus into minus is plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay. See, minus 1 it is minus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 is 0, and we have 2 root 2. It is not equal to 0. Therefore, it is not a factor. Check your book answers alongside. Next, second one. Use factor theorem to determine whether g of x is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Question number 2. We have to use factor theorem. P of x is 2x cube plus x square minus 2x minus 1. and g of x is x plus 1. So when they say x plus 1, what number has to be substituted? Okay, we should have g of x equals 0, which means x plus 1 equals 0. So x equals minus 1. So p of minus 1 is, it looks like I'm going too fast, is it? You see what the others are feeling? See, 2 times minus 1 is minus 2. This is plus 1 and then minus of minus 2 plus 2 minus 1. So minus 2 plus 2 plus 1 minus 1. It is 0. So yes, g of x is factor of p of x. Okay. And then the second subdivision. P of x is lengthy. X cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. And g of x is x plus 2. We should find the value of x from this g of x. How we can find? Why somebody is dancing? Oh, Prabhudeva. G of x is equals 0, which means x plus 2 is 0. So x equals minus 2. And then p of minus 2 means minus 2 whole cube plus 3 into minus 2 square plus 3 into minus 2 plus 1. So minus 2 cube is minus 8 plus 3 4s are, this is plus 4, 3 4s are 12 minus 6 plus 1. So we have 13 and 14 obviously. Here minus 4, sorry, plus 4 minus 5, it is minus 1, not equal to 0 obviously. So g of x is not a factor. Then the third subdivision. Oh, you, sorry man. You do it man, AC only, right? See, you have superpowers, you can do. And you have your magic pen with you or not? See, that will do lots of magics. Okay, next the third subdivision. P of x is x cube minus 4x square plus x plus 6 and g of x is x minus 3. So we have g of x equals 0, x minus 3 equals 0. So x equal to 3, we need to substitute. So p of 3 is 3 cube minus 4 into 3 square plus 3 plus 6. So 3 cube is 9, right? 27, yes. Then 3 square is 6. 3 square is 9. 4 9s are 36 plus 3 plus 6. So 27 minus 36 it is minus 9 plus 9 equals 0. So therefore g of x is a factor of p of x. That is all. Okay, next. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor of p of x in each of the following cases. Shall we move to the next question? Okay, so here is everything. Everything. Okay. Question number 3. Find the value of k if x minus 1 is a factor. When x minus 1 is a factor, we need to check what? Putting x is equal to 1. So they already said it is a factor. So by factor theorem, we have p of 1 is equal to 0. P of a is equal to 0. One of the result of factor theorem. So the first given p of x is x square plus x plus k, and we have p of 1 as 1 square plus 1 plus k. So we have here p of 1 will become 0, 1 plus 1 it is 2. 0 equals 2 plus k. So k is equals negative 2. This 2 goes here. Okay. And the second subdivision. P of x is two x square plus kx plus root 2. Do it fast, man. Even if you can overtake me also, not a problem. So p of 1 we should calculate 2 into 1 square plus k into 1 plus root 2. This is 0, 2 plus k plus root 2. So we have our k value is equals minus 2 minus root 2. Okay. And then third subdivision. The given p of x is kx square minus root 2x plus 1, and we have to calculate p of 1, that is k into 1 square minus root 2 into 1 plus 1. So k minus root 2 plus 1 is equal to 0. P of 1 is 0, and k is equals root 2 minus 1. When this plus root 2, so minus root 2 go transpose to the other side, it is plus root 2, plus 1 to the other side means minus 1. Okay. And then the fourth subdivision. Okay, can you able to follow, everyone? Kx square minus 3x. Okay. 2 k's are there. Yeah, so what? P of 1 is equal to k minus 3 plus k. So we have this 0 and 2k minus 3. So k is equal to 3 by 2. This minus 3 goes to the other side as plus 3, and 2k means by 2. Okay. Next, factorization. Shall we proceed with factorization? In the same way, you will be able to follow. Shall I erase everything? Okay, good. Okay. Question number 4. Factorize. The first subdivision. 12x square minus 7x plus 1. Anyone can say how to factorize this? I told you earlier. Can you remember? Splitting the middle terms. Better we use splitting the middle terms instead of this factor theorem. It will be easy. So by multiplication 12, addition minus 7. 6 2s are 12. And then 4 3s are 12. But I am writing 4 3s are. Is that wrong? See, one important note here, unless this leading coefficient is not 1. Even if it is 1 also, we should write the splitting the middle term. When you are writing descriptive exam, I am telling. Even if we have 1 or not 1, you have to write the splitting the middle terms. You have to write the steps for that splitting. Okay, demonstrate how it works. So 12x square. Hey, before that we have to name it, man. Unnamed child. P of x. So that P of x equals 12x square. This guy minus 7x we split like minus 4x minus 3x plus 1. Then now how many terms we are having here? 4 terms. From the 4 terms, looks like 5. No. Now 4 terms. So from the 4 terms, we are grouping that as 2 terms. First 2, second 2. From the first 2, take common things out. What can be taken out as common? 4x itself can be taken out as a common. Then from 12, 4 went out means again multiplying inside the same number should come. Then 3x minus 1. Now the same term should come here. For that we will take minus 1 now. So if you take minus 1 means this minus 3x will become plus 3x minus 1. So now here how many terms are there? How many terms are there? 2 terms. From these 2 terms, this 3x minus 1 is common. So answer is 4x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. That is all. Second subdivision. Two x square plus 7x plus 3. We'll name this as P of x. Why P of x all the time? I'm naming this time G of x. Or else use first letter of your word. First letter of your name, not word. That of x you can write. So 2 3s are by multiplication 6, addition 7. 1 6 are, or else 2 3s are you can write, but 2 plus 3 will not give you 7. So 1 6 are means we have to split the middle term. Like how we have to split? 2x square plus x plus 6x plus 3. That is equal to g of x. So 4 terms are there. Group 2 terms. First 2 terms x only can be taken out. Okay. Then we have 2x plus 1. Then from these 2, like 2x we should get, then 3 can be taken out. So here also will get 2x plus 1. Now it will become like 2 terms. We got 2 terms. From these 2 terms, take the common things. 2x plus 1 and x plus 2. That is all. This is the factors of g of x. We are supposed to write this whole thing below. This whole thing below that equals these 2 factors. We are supposed to write. But I am simply writing g of x. Third subdivision. Anyone has done the third subdivision? Good. And anybody else? The boys? Well, okay, good. Hydrate yourself. It is always good to hydrate yourself. See? Okay. Any boys have completed this? 6 6 are 36, but minus 36 because here minus 6 is there. By addition, we should get 5. Then 36 plus 5. Only 6 6 are we have, or else 12 3s are we can say. But we are not getting 5 here. What else we can do? Nine table. 9 4s are. Yes. 9 4s are. The number is negative. So any one number should be negative. Okay. So addition is positive. Small number should get the negative. So by splitting the middle term, 6x square. Some prayer is happening. Oh, the Lord Jesus Christ, like some prayer is happening. (9x minus 4x). Is that your TV? No. Okay. From the first two terms, what can be taken? 3x can be taken out. 3x can be taken out or not? Then we'll be having 2x plus 3. We should get the same 2x plus 3 here. For that, what can be taken out? Minus 2 can be taken out. Then we have 2x plus 3. Now it reduced to two terms. From these two terms, 2x plus 3 is common and 3x minus 2. That is all. Wake up, man. Done the fourth subdivision or not? Okay. Three x minus 4. 3 4s are minus 12 minus 1. 4 3s are big number gets negative as the addition is negative. So we have 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. So from these two, x only can be taken out. 3x minus 4. From this 1 can be taken out. 3x minus 4. So we have x plus 1 into 3x minus 4, and that is how we have to factorize using within the middle terms for the quadratic polynomial. That is all. Then the fifth question. Yes, fifth question is there. Shall I erase everything? I'll do 2 questions by myself, man, don't worry. The remaining 2 is all yours. Then choose that 2. Oh. Shall I erase everything? See,